Hi, Michael from RokFORM here. Today we're going to be installing the Galaxy Z Fold7 in our new rugged case. Today we're going to be installing the rugged case on our Galaxy Z Fold7. So right now we've got everything unboxed. We've got our magnetic plug, we've got the case itself, which has two parts, a front and a back, and we've got the phone. So to get started, we will take the adhesive and peel it off of the front part of the case. And then we'll need to align it with the phone itself. And there are small tabs here at the top and bottom. There's one there, one there, that we want to make sure align with the holes, the speaker holes in the phone. So you can hear it get a nice click when it gets into place. And we'll press it down along the edges. And then for the back part of the phone, we can open the phone up like that. And similar to our other cases, we can install from one side, press it down. We'll hear it click nicely into place. And you may need to open the hinge a little bit just to get them to lock down fully. There we go. And then now we have our rugged case installed on our Galaxy Z Fold7. So like all of our rugged cases, we've got our MagSafe ring back here, and we have our RokLock plug as well. So like I said, we have the magnetic plug that is included with all of our rugged cases. So if you want, you can change that out. Just a note that you cannot wirelessly charge with the magnetic plugs. You'll need to use the standard plug that comes installed. And additionally, we have the extra bar of magnets at the bottom of the case for additional magnetic hold. And something that's also different and unique about this Z Fold7 case is we have the extra protection on the hinge. So that's not something that's necessarily common on all of the Z Fold cases themselves. So with this being a rugged case, we wanted to make sure we added rugged protection all around. Thanks for watching. You can stop by our showroom in Irvine to get your Galaxy Z Fold7 case or any other mobile accessories. You can also visit RokFORM.com.